About a month ago, nothing seemed to go the right way. And it was one of those long, long days. And at the end of the day, I was so worn out. You know, in the heat of the battle of the practice that day, I'm thinking, why did this happen? So as I reflected back on the schedule that day, I realized that there were specific patients that were in that had not been in since we've transitioned into an oral systemic approached office. Prior to that, there was less education in my practice to help patients understand how important their oral care is for their overall health. And one in particular, a gentleman, really does not take care of himself in general and really kind of considers his teeth secondary, his mouth secondary, does not think it's even connected to his body. And he just wants us to take care, patch, do very little of anything, get him out of pain, and that just isn't the way my average day goes. And of course, that's the emergency you see. Every dentist knows that. That's usually the one that's coming in with a problem. And that was one of many that day. I don't know why that day had so many, but they all were people that were not valuing their oral health in relation to their overall health. And we don't have those days very often in my practice, rarely. And I believe solidly that's because patients understand why they're there, more so than just keeping them from having pain someday, but to keep them healthy, keep their mouth healthy. And that really reduces the confusion in our day at the office and also for the patient. Upon thinking about it a little more, I really reflected on how important it is to incorporate an overall health approach in your practice. Take the time, have your team take the time, educate your patients, help them know how important your care is for their overall health, and you will find that it really reduces the complications in your life as a dentist. It'll also keep you from having those disruptive days and also allow you to be a more important factor in the overall care of your patients. Have you ever had one of those days? I'd love to hear about it. Comment below and let me know how that's affected your day.